So I'd like to show you my favorite shoulder release movement today. You want to start with your left foot forwards and your right foot back, and you're going to start to swing that right arm forwards and back. And once momentum is on your side, you're just going to let that arm continue to swing forwards and backwards like a pendulum. You really want this left arm to be nice and relaxed and fluid too. And we're going to encourage the movement to travel all the way through the whole spine. Once you've found the movement, can you encourage your breath really just to support the movement as you swing the arm forwards and backwards? And then we slow the movement down. And let's take a moment to check in one side compared to the other. So the right side of the neck, the left side of the neck, and the right shoulder to the left shoulder. And then let's swap to the other side. So I'm going to step my right foot forwards and my left foot back. And I'm going to start to swing this left arm forwards and backwards. I give it a little push to begin, and then once I've got the arm swinging, it's almost like it's moving of its own accord. I'm going to encourage this right arm to be nice and fluid and relaxed, and the whole spine is just encouraging the movement to ripple forwards and backwards. My breath is supporting the movement, so I'm just breathing naturally here. I'm going to slow the movement down. And then once more, I take both arms by the sides and I check in the right side of the neck, left side of the neck, right shoulder, left shoulder. Hopefully they feel a little more loose and released and relaxed.